start with this journey of data science today. So this journey was going to start 2 days ago when on 29, but because of some issues, this is got delayed to today at 31st of August. So very good evening again, and let's get started to session. I'm Rishabh Suryavanshi, your trainee for this session of data science. So let's get started and learn something today. So here up with. So hope so you go on through the disclaimer of Backcampus Bagcamp 2021. So now it's time for what we are going to learn today. Let's describe about our today's agenda. We will be starting with basics of data science. We will be learning various basic points of data science like prerequisites, components, tools, and etc. Then we will be learning about what is open access dataset. We will learn what is open access dataset, what is Google Dataset search, and what is Kaggle. Later on, we will be learning about UCI ML repos. We will explore UCI machine learning repositories. And at the last, we will be learning about visual data. So hope so we are clear with about today's agenda. So let's get started and learn what is digital, sorry, what is data science. Sorry for that. So data science is a deep study of massive amount of data. So today I just read out the first line, but let me describe you in a very detailed manner. So, in today's day of manner, it has been explored that one person generate nearly 1.2 MB data. One person, a single person, generate 1.2 MB of data per minute. Okay, so this is a great country. This is a great country where there are a lot of internet users. Not only in India, United Kingdom, and China, there are a lot of users and they are generating a tons of data. So to explore this data, if we are using Excel, then it is not going to be useful, right? Whether it is as well as it is not going to be a very useful tactic and not going to help any kind of users. Then that's why we are using data science mechanism, which gives us the proper way of learning and exploring data and providing new business solutions with the help of data science, right? So let me read out this thing that data science is a deep study of massive amount of data, as I already told you, then which involves extracting meaningful insight from the raw structured and unstructured data. So if we are getting the data, then we have to extract the meaningful raw and structured and what is the unstructured data, and we have to categorize it, and with the help of our scientific and mathematical methods, various algorithm and different technologies, we are going to use it for our purposes, right? So this is all about the definition of data science. Hope so you are getting with this small definition and hope you understand this. Let's explore more with what we are learning today. So we will be starting with what are the need of data science, why we require data science. Then we will be learning about what are the components of data science. Then we will be learning about what are the prerequisites of data science. Later on, we will be learning some tools which we are going to use in data science. And at the last, we are going to learn what is the career in data science. Firstly, getting with the need of data. Handling of huge data, right, is a challenging task for every organization. So we already discussed that nearly 1.2 MB of data has been produced by every single person, right? Then this data is going to be 8 GB or 9 GB or not this type of small type of GB data, right? It is a massive amount of data, and to categorize it, to make it use, it is very a challenging task for every organization. So to handle process and analysis of this, we require some complex, powerful, and efficient algorithm and technique. That technology came into exist as a data science. So with the help of data science technology, we can convert the massive amount of raw and unstructured data into meaningful insight. Data science technology is opting by various companies. where it is a big brand or a startup. Google, Amazon, Netflix, etc., which handles the huge amount of data, are using data science algorithm for better customer experience. So here it hope that you understand what is the need of data science. Also, data science is a working for automating transportation, such as creating a self-driving car, which is future of transportation. Data science can help in different predictions, right? Such as various surveys, elections, flight ticket confirmation, etc. So data science is available, and use of data science is very important. Hope so you understand about need of science. So let's explore more about prerequisites of data science. So what type of learnings you must have to start learning data science? Hope so you learn with these four basic tactics which we are already mentioned up on screen. So you must have mathematical modeling link once required to make a fast mathematical calculation and prediction from the available data. You must be able to do statistics. You must have basic understanding of statistics such as a mean, median, or standard deviation. You must have basic knowledge of computer programming. R, Python, Sparks are some of the required computer programming language for data science. At least the open concepts is must. Databases, understanding of database to get the data and to work with the data. So these are some prerequisites of data science. Let's explore to the next point. So data science components. This is one of an important point. So you must have learned this much, but let's get into deeper thing. Okay. So these are some of the components of data science. So statistics. So statistic is a one of a important component of data science. It collect and analyzing the numerical data, just statistics. Then the second important component is a domain expertise, specialized knowledge or skill of a particular area as a data science component. Then data engineering, acquiring, storing, retrieving, and transforming the data as a data engineering. Representing the data in a visual context so that people can easily understand the significance of data as a visualization. Advanced computing includes designing, writing, debugging, and maintaining the source code. Hope so you understand with this data science components. So let's go with some of the tools which we are going to use for data science. So here are the 8 data analysis tools. So hope you are aware of few of them. How many of you are aware of any of this tool, or what are the tools which you know? You can explain and place this in comments. Okay, it is good that we will understand about that. So R language is one of a data analysis tool. Python programming language, statistics, SAS, Jupyter Notebook, RStudio, MATLAB, and Excel workbook are some of the data analysis tools. You can download the Python from official website of Python, python.org. Let's move to data warehousing tools. So some of the data warehousing tools are as mentioned on your screen. They are ETL, SQL, Handloop, Informatica, AWS Redshift. Then there are some of the data visualization tools. Few of them are written on your screen. They are R, Jupyter, Tableau, and Congos. So here you can see one screenshot of Tableau, a data visualization tool. Only after a few hours, we are going to start with our second session of data science. In that, we will learn about how we start our data visualization. Also, some professional tools such as Smart, Kahoot, Azure, and Overseers. So these are the tools which we use for data science. And let's go to what is open access data set. Hope so you understand what is data science, what are its components, what are the tools, what are the prerequisites. Now we have to explore more about open access dataset. So open access dataset is a data that can be freely used, reused, and redistributed by anyone. So we should take a tour to know about what is Google Dataset Search and what is Kaggle. Hope so you are enjoying the session, and we are trying to move and end up this session as fast as possible. And we are to go to as depth as possible. So let's explore in a depth about what is a Google Dataset Search, what is Kaggle. So I would like to share my screen up here. So currently I am using Microsoft Edge browser. So Google Dataset Search, as it has been written, that some of the open data are been stored up and they can be searched with Google Dataset. So here up the second link you can find is http dataset search.research.google.com. You can click on this to get the data about this. You can search for any dataset here. Currently I'm searching for something COVID-19 data. So I would like to go with the COVID-19 tested sample in Kerala 2020. So this report was developed by Statistical.com, and this is available. So we can also go to the website and explore the data. So this move to Statistica.com, and we can check about the statistical data up here. So this is what a Google dataset search is. We can also search for any data, like let me try with e-commerce. And let me go for a search. Then I will be getting 100 plus data set, and I can find any of them. We can also come to various websites. Okay, this is just a Google dataset search. But we have to explore about what is Kaggle. So we will go to explore Kaggle, and we will learn what is it. So here the Kaggle helps us to get and download various types of data. It will also provide us a visualization about data. So we can just see that data up here. So here it is provided in a CSV file, and here is some data about it, like we have given with user ID, pages, what type of columns we have, then what type of print up confirmation table dot CSV. Let's check this also. So this type of data has been provided by Kaggle. So if I am back with the search result for Kaggle. So Kaggle is a subsidiary of Google only, and it is a online community of data scientists and machine learning practitioners. So if you want to start your career in data science and machine learning, make sure you create your account on Kaggle also. I will click on Datasets. You can also participate in various competition, and you can handle your code notebook with Kaggle. You can also search for any data. So I'm searching for a state-wise data of COVID-19. So here it is by Anadu H. It was updated 5 days ago, and it is a recent data. So let's explore about it. So this is the latest COVID-19 India state-wise data in which we can see about various states and UTs and total cases, their active cases, how many are discharged, what are the total number of deaths, what is the active discharge ratio, etc. The source of this website is my government slash COVID-19, and here up some visualization about the data which we have that Andaman Nicobar have 7,560 total number of cases, 10 active cases till now. There are only 4 active cases at, okay, sorry, Andaman Nicobar, Haveli, Daman and Diu, and there are very less number of active cases at Madhya Pradesh also, which are only 84, right? Madhya Pradesh is truly a large state, still it have very less number of active cases. In this manner only, we can check out with Kaggle. It is also open dataset search. You can do a lot of things and explore Kaggle. You can learn house prices, dynamics, and you can explore all this part of Kaggle. Hope so you understand this topic. Hope this is all clear about today's agenda, and we have been done with all our agenda of today. Thank you for attending our session, and it has been a great part to be here. Thank you, everyone. We will meet in the next section. Thank you.